Hey, so if files keep failing to download in Brave, or downloads stop halfway through, yeah, that can get really frustrating. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Brave browser download failures step by step. All right, first, make sure your internet connection is stable. Weak connections can interrupt downloads easily. Now close Brave completely and reopen it. Yeah, temporary browser glitches can sometimes stop downloads. Open Brave settings and verify your download folder still exists and has enough storage space. Some extensions, especially security or download tools, can block file downloads, so disable them for testing. Corrupted cache files can also break downloads, so clear your browsing data and try again. Check Brave Shields or security settings to make sure downloads aren't being blocked automatically. Now check for updates. Older versions of Brave can sometimes fail with newer download systems. Try downloading the same file in a private window. If it works there, the issue is likely caused by extensions or saved settings. Some antivirus programs block downloads automatically, so temporarily check if your security software is interfering. And yeah, that's it. Once these fixes are applied, Brave downloads should work smoothly again without interruptions or failed files.